Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabrina Hawk, assistant teacher of science, National Ideal English Medium School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a chemistry class for class 9 student on the based on chemistry assignment 2. Dear students, this is your assignment question. This is your assignment 2 question. Here this assignment belongs to chapter 2, the states of matter. The assigned task or assignment topic is edible salt mixed with sand can be made suitable to consume, and you have to write in the form of a report with figure and describe various steps in the process of making salt edible, and you have to complete the work practically at home, and you have to if necessary some sand should be mixed with edible salt and describe the completed steps and draw the diagram. I will show a demo of your assignment. You can follow your textbook, and you can also follow the textbook of standard 6. There in the mixture chapter there is given these two activity in your standard 6 science book chapter 8, that means in chapter 8 the name of the chapter is mixture. Now come to the assignment. The report, this is the first page. Report, edible salt mixed with sand can be made suitable to consume. Then you have to write to the headmaster, National Ideal English Medium School, Bonusri, Dhaka. Then you have to write subject. Report submission on edible salt mixed with sand can be made suitable to consume, and reference NIEVS then 1244. Dear sir, according to your order Nong NIEVS 1244, I am presenting a report on edible salt mixed with sand can be made suitable to consume. Now this is the heading of the report. This is the cover top sheet of the report, not the top sheet of schools that you will make, because this is a report. The topic of the report is edible salt mixed with sand can be made suitable to consume. Then you have to write the theory. When water is added to the mixture of salt and sand, the salt will dissolve in the water, but sand doesn't dissolve. Salt and sand can be separated by filtration and evaporation process respectively. Now come to necessary equipments. First one, 2 glass beakers, second one funnel, third one filter paper, fourth one glass rod for stirring, and tripod stands, wire net and spirit lamp. Now come to work procedure. First one is, in a glass beaker take a mixture of sand and salt and add a little amount of water to it. Therefore salt will dissolve with water, but sand will not dissolve with water. Next step, next set it in the funnel, keeping the 3 folds at one side and 1 fold at the other side as shown in the figure. Now come to next step, that soak the filter paper slightly with water so that the filter paper do not get displaced. And next step, settle the funnel on the second beaker and pour a little salt solution mixed with sand into funnel from the first beaker. Therefore sand mixed with water will pour into the second jar slowly through the filter paper and funnel. Next step will be, wait until all the clean water drains out of the funnel. Remove the funnel from the second beaker and separate it from the filter paper by washing the sand by a little amount of distilled water. Look, this is the picture of filtration procedure. Here you have to add the folding of the filter paper. And next step is, after filtration, we have already completed the filtration steps. Now we will go for the evaporations. Now dry up the entire water by placing the beaker of pure saline water on the wire net over the tripod stand and applying heat at the bottom of the beaker with the help of burning spirit lamp. This is the picture, and this is the picture of evaporation. You have to draw it. Now here they written about the Bunsen burner. You have to draw here spirit lamp because we use the word spirit lamp here. Now come to next step. When all the saline water in the beaker evaporates totally, but since the melting point and the boiling point of the salt is very high, it will not evaporate. It will not even melt in the heat. So it will remain as crystal in the bottom of the beaker. Thus the salt can be get back. Now come to the observation. After the cooling down of the beaker, the grains of the salt begins to accumulate on the bottom or wall of the beaker. These grains are the crystals of the salt. Now caution that we have to remember when we will do this practically at home. Then during filtration, the mixture should be well stirred, and above clean water should be poured on the filter paper first, so that more sand does not accumulate in the filter paper. This makes the filtration process easier and faster. Now second portion will be then mixture should be stirred by glass rod properly and carefully pour the sands and the solution on the filter paper. And third portion will be finally during the evaporation there should be some water in the last stage to stop the application so that it does not burst and the glass bowl or glass beaker. It will be beaker. Glass, in place of glass bowl you have to write beaker. And after that, in the last page you have to write reporter's name, that means, and its address, that means your name, your class, your role, the name of our school, that means National Latin English Version School, and the date, which date you will submit it. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. You can take help from your textbook and you can take help from the class 6 science book also. So do the assignment properly, submit it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.